In today's competitive digital landscape, successful businesses know that understanding the buyer's journey is key to attracting and engaging potential customers. Introducing inbound marketing, a proven methodology that focuses on attracting, engaging, and delighting customers at every stage of their journey. It all begins with the buyer's journey. First, the awareness stage, where customers identify a problem or need. Through strategic content creation and SEO, inbound marketing ensures your business appears at the right moment when potential customers are searching for answers. Next, the consideration stage. Here, customers are evaluating different options and solutions. Inbound marketing provides valuable content and resources that educate and build trust, positioning your business as the go-to solution. Finally, the decision stage, where customers are ready to make a purchase. Inbound marketing empowers you to provide a seamless buying experience, with personalized offers and targeted messaging that converts leads into loyal customers. Are you ready to transform your business? Embrace the power of inbound marketing and unlock the full potential of the buyer's journey. Contact us today to learn more.